When you think about AI right now, is there any parts that you're most excited about where you see AI really having the most impact? You know, we talk about drug discovery, you talk about the human experience in the hospitals. Like, where does it play out and have impact the most?
Look, I think the first wave will likely be in the pretty dull, mundane, boring things that people don't like to do anyway. And so they're not the biggest breakthroughs. The big but with that is if we can address those, maybe we can reduce drug errors where people get prescribed the wrong drug. It sounds pretty boring, but when you're filling 30,000 prescriptions in a given day at a place, if we can reduce 2 of those and we can actually save a human life, that's exciting. If we can design the right kind of algorithms to pull out administrative costs so that we can reorient those to other areas in healthcare, such as actual care provision, can have massive. So I think it starts there. I think the next wave, it goes into the areas that we just talked about, discovery, drug development. Why does it take $2.5 billion, 17 years, and 1 out of 100 drugs actually makes it to the market? What if we could do that without compromising quality and safety and efficacy, but by building these right kind of analytic tools, if we could make that happen in 5 years, 6 years, for a fraction of that cost? Not only would that help patients, but it could bring down costs in the interim, reduce risk in the system. How can we get better access for care? I would imagine right here in San Francisco, your zip code is a greater determinant of your morbidity and mortality rate than most other factors. That's just plain wrong. So how can we use it to increase access to care so that people in rural areas, people in urban areas who right now can't get in to see some of the specialists that we may have the opportunity to get access to, so that we build better access for them? How do we do that on a global basis? So again, I think that there's a ton of different opportunities out there.